This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 37,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Palmetto Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1625 Savannah Highway in Charleston.